Hello and welcome to my car and my life. This week I haven't got the time to prepare a video. I have done lots of things on the car and I have lots of video material, but I haven't got the time to put the video together. Because I'm gonna have a boat. You can see the boat channel up here somewhere, and we have to get the boat in the water. But I'm working on the car and it's going great. You can see some of it here, but I will not show you everything. We have done some painting and that's the things that coming up now. Here is all the material I have on the floor and everything. So the car looks really good, and you will see it soon. Bye bye! Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.